Hello again. This is part 2 about Lego Moc Gundam Exia Rebuild. How you guys doing? Well, let's get to the main topic. The reversion includes improved range of motion. Now I will separate Go and Joe to know the amplitude of movement in the upper half. The head has a ball joint in the neck and it is in a strange position, unlike the Barbados. In this part, the cockpit is elongated and is still open like the original model. The two yellow fins under the head have been redone and they are opened up to look better than the old two levers. And the shoulder armors move up and down like this. Pair of beam heels behind the shoulders armors are similar, and the GN drive rotates this along the clockwise and bang! It's quite eye-catching, even though it's caught me blind. There are two lights inside which opposite to each other to light both sides. When turned off, they turn the other way. The arm can be raised this high, but when we remove the shoulder armor, it can be raised much higher. Wow, this is so annoying having to put it back in place. Now let's talk about the elbow. Even though it has two joints each, it only goes up a little more than 90 degrees. I have to remove this piece so it can go higher. The hand is elongated a bit. The fingers remain the same as the original. The wrist can be rotated and raised like this. The two armors on this side have also been adjusted, and for the head, it was originally like this. Now for the lower half, this is the pillar. The front skirt armor comes up here. The back skirt is similar with the beam handle. The side rotate quite well and I accidentally make it a bit thick. This red piece I make it into a side skirt. The legs can be raised like this. Great to be able to spread its leg like this. It can be raised up a little, but when I remove this blue piece here and raise the leg a little more, it doesn't reach 90 degrees, so it's quite good with this piece removed. The knee bend more than 90 degrees, and the knee armor can be rotated when the knee is bent. These ratchet joints are cool. At the bottom of the ankle, there is only the front armor each, and at the same time, I make the ball joint on the ankle quite thin. It can be rotated and moved up and down. The forefoot has a C-clip, so it can be moved up and down. The lower half will be more stable than the upper half, so it is quite difficult to make standing pose. As for the accessories, I have improved this giant sword. There are two swivel joints and the blade is length, but this will look weird if they make it too long. To attach it, bring its side armors forward, adjust its fingers. It's also a bit difficult to insert the handles. Flip this up, attach it and lower its thumb, let it grab, put it in the handle, and that's it. The sword is much lighter than the shield. And speaking of the shield, the GN shield is completely renewed. Well, it also has this gimmick. Remove these two sides, attach them here, and put these two sides down and done. I don't know what mode is it. At least it's quite interesting. As for attaching it to its arm, slowly slide it in and press it down. That's it. This shield is heavy. It's heavier than the GN sword, so it's impossible to make pose with the shield this heavy. And if it's heavy, just come a stand base. Oh wait, this is the beam effect for the beam handle. because I don't have stalwart beam, so I temporarily use this one. Speaking of the stand base, its appearance look nothing special because I don't have enough bricks. At the same time, it's not as useless as the old one. Check this out. This is the beam effect. For this one, put the shield in with this extra pack. And for this one, use that pack to attach the zone to the base. And it's done. As for placing it on the stand base, there are two slots behind these thighs. Slowly place them in the correct position and you're done. Sorry for my paper background, it's a bit small. I have just replaced it. Oh yeah, I forgot. For this effect, take them off, they can like that. Remove one or two of the 4 beam handle and attach the effect to the handle. It fits. It doesn't have an attachment pin, so adjust it and it fits. That's it. It looks like a long sausage. Useless. This is the second version, Gundam Exia Rebuild. It has been replaced with a lot of pieces such as the blade changed into the broken version, the left arm changed into a large brown piece, the left front skirts were removed. Take a closer look. This piece on the left chest, on the right knee armor, the ankle armor is removed, the pair of beam wheels are replaced with another piece. Oh, and on the right knee, the round transparent green is removed. I find it cooler and more mobile than its original version. When it's come to the head, it's the most difficult part because I don't know how to make it consent. And lowering the shoulder armor like this looks cool too. And it's time to compare size. My HG Gundam broke down Exia. Lego Moc Gundam Phoenix Chicken. Don't ask me why I named it that. The Test 29-17 RG Chinese dress version. Whoa! Lego Gundam Bell. Lego Moc Gundam Barbatos Rebuild. And finally, a minecart. To sum up, this version is even better than Barbatos. The range of motion, style, lighting effect, and stand base for accessories are quite good. This is only a video sharing Lego Mocs, and thank you for watching. See you again.